Hey, what's up, everybody? Today, I'm going to introduce to you Motion, how to use it, its usage, its pros and cons as well. So let's get this video started. So Motion or Motion app or Use Motion, it's an AI-powered productivity platform that helps you manage your tasks, projects, calendars, and meetings more effectively and efficiently. So their main selling point is their usage of AI. So here, of course, with that being said, one of its benefits is its AI-driven scheduling and prioritization. So this is like Motion's most um, used or best pros among all of its other features. So here, as you can see, we have here an AI calendar. This is what it'll look like. So you just input it here. Basically, you tell AI when your meeting will be. For example, you have coffee, you chat with Jane at 11 a.m. You type in it on the AI system, and automatically it rearranges the calendar for you. So that's really, really helpful. You can prioritize your tasks here based on your deadlines, the urgency, and of course, your preferences as well. And then another thing is it's an all-in-one platform. So as you can see here, these are all the AI tools available. It has everything already. Calendar, it has AI documents right here. So you can do this. You can organize your tasks here as well. You can organize projects using AI. You can create projects using AI rather. As you can see, it's easy. You just type it in, you drag down all the necessary details, and automatically it creates uh something for you. So, for example, here a campaign for a product, you just input everything you need here and then create project and automatically it will create that for you. And then you also have your note taker right here. Another great thing with this is, for example, if you have a big event and you're not very keen on note taking, definitely AI note taker can help you get the job done. And then, of course, if you're running a business or if you're running a startup company or your position in a company, you're a boss at your company, definitely workflows will be a lifesaver for you. And then, of course, uh, another important thing is the AI reports. Now, apart from this, is its intuitive interface is also pro, despite its complex AI, because there are a lot of AIs here. Many users still find Motion's interface to be quite user friendly and, of course, visually clean because it's easy to navigate and it's easy to use. Now, another benefit about this with Notion is that you can use it either on mobile or on desktop. iOS, Android, Mac OS, Windows Web, it's available anywhere. Now, in terms of its cons, however, one of its cons is, of course, the price. It's considered to be generally expensive, ranging at $20 per month to $29 per month, depending on the pricing or the subscription that you will be availing. If you will avail, like, if you're just a professional or individual, then go per Pro AI. If you're starting a business, go with Business AI. But if you're running large operations, then definitely go with the enterprise. But for this one, you're gonna have to contact them for the uh pricing and everything. So the seats mentioned here, this is the number of teams that will be working. So the people who will be getting access to Motion. And then another cons that it has is that it's too dependent on AI accuracy, the dependency on AI accuracy, mainly because the effectiveness of motion scheduling heavily relies on the accuracy of its AI. So if your inputs are not well detailed, like for example here on calendar, if it's not too detailed, then definitely there may be errors. So it's still best to double check. At the end of the day, AI can also make mistakes. And then finally, most AI platforms faces this. It has bugs and glitches. So, like many software applications, some users have reported occasional, not all the time, but occasional bugs, glitches, and of course, slow performance. So, yeah, overall, motion is best suited for individuals and teams who are overwhelmed with manual scheduling. So, if you want to like have things run on a smoother basis, then definitely automating your daily planning will work well for you. And that is what motion does best. That's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.